is trash, but I man, so as you've already seen from the title and the thumbnail, we're talking about what's new in flstudio 4.7, right? I'm kind of late, but anyways, let's just get it. So first thing is first, we have a new effect called the tremolo effect, right? It's just automating the volume according to the shape you set using the shape parameter, right? Alright, so basically let's see what that effect is all about. So I'm just gonna hit here. Before we move further, I have this vocal track connected to this then track, right? If you're a subscriber to this channel or you are used to this channel, you already know what I'm talking about. So first things first, I'm just going to hit there. I'm going to select or tremolo effect. Okay, this is right here. Alright, so automating the volume according to the shape. Anyways, let's test it out. Okay, let's listen to this way. Alright, so this rate is obviously the speed, right? So that rate is the speed. So I think if we take this off, let's see. So according to what I've read, this is best for keys and parts, right? But you know we're all about vocals, so we're going to test it out on the vocal right now. So let's try this out. Okay, I'm feeling something right here. All right. That's nice. All right, so let's move to the next thing, man. That's all for the tremolo. If you want me to explain all about the tremolo effect, then that'll be another video for later, but we're gonna talk about that later. Next, we have a new preset picker, right? And this is crazy. This is like revolutionizing. So if I come into the audio record right here, and you see right here, if I hit this, I can load a whole rack preset, man, and this is crazy. Let me just show you what I mean. If I just hit any of this comes with different amount of effects, right? This is crazy. Oh. Anyways, that means instead of saving all your presets one by one, now like this contains multiple effects. That means you can easily save all of your effects and load them at the same time, right? That means basically if I want to save this out, I'll just click here and basically save rack presets, and anytime I can load them. That means for something like this, I can simply just, in fact, you know what, let me clear rack. That's empty, right? So I just come here, I come to load rack presets, I come to my files, I come to my racks, I save this as yeah, I think that should be it, right? And that's it, man. All your presets are back in. You don't have to save one by one. That's crazy update. I like that update. The next thing we have is the modified preset browser, and basically let me show you what this is all about. So at first, when you click to add new model, there used to be a drop down menu here with all your effects divided into different sections, right? Which was perfect, which was beautiful. But this one right now, where all your effects are on the left, I don't want to say this is trash, but yeah, man, this I don't just like this. But the advantage of this is basically I can choose from different effects, right, without having to switch. That means I can choose and select from different effects without this closing out. So that's a plus, that's an advantage. But just having it this way is not really giving the vibe, you know. Alright, so the next thing is for Android users, you can import multiple audio files at once, right? So let me show you what I'm saying. Alright, so that's what I'm talking about. So next thing is our spreader now has new parameters, right? Alright, so we have now separation and mono, right? So I'm gonna play with it a little bit and see. And there's definitely more we can do with that. So moving on. Alright, so according to what flstudio Mobile is saying, the analyzer has more precision right now with the LUFS. So the analyzer right here, they say the LUFS now has more precision, right? We're going to test that out because there's a new video coming out on mastering and uploading your audio to streaming platforms, so that is very necessary, right? Last but not the least,